Hello there. So, you might be a little surprised to see this here, since I normally put my face on literally none of my videos. I don't even do voiceovers. And I know I've received a lot of complaints of this from the people who I know. At this point at the time that I'm making this video, I have 59 subscribers, and 40 of them I know personally. And they will come up to me and tell me things like, Deborah, be in your videos. At least give us a voiceover. And I keep saying, I don't want to do that, because then I have to look at myself and listen to myself, and I just don't think I can maintain any kind of self-esteem by doing that. So up until now, I have really kind of copped out on YouTube and kept my face out of my channel. Well, times are changing. Honestly, I saw the coronavirus storm coming. I wasn't one of those people who was in denial and who thought, this is never going to happen to me, this is never going to get to my country. No, the moment China was in a state of pandemic, and the moment that I learned exactly how international the Wuhan province was, I started planning. I started planning in mid-January for everything that was going to come to the United States. I saw the cloud coming and I put down the shutters. So I tried my best to be prepared early on. I bought my toilet paper in January before any of the stores were sold out. And I bought extra food, because this whole thing where you only buy groceries for a week, what happens when you can't leave your house for more than a week? You're gonna starve? So I made a decision early on that I wasn't going to change my channel for the corona apocalypse. I just wasn't gonna do that. That was the decision I made. And guess what? I can't stick to that. And the reason that I can't stick to that is because the entirety of all of my planning for my entire channel comes in completely from recipe planning. And I can't plan recipes if I don't have any kind of idea of what's going to be available in the grocery stores. And I don't know what's happening in grocery stores around the world, but here in America, it's like Hoarderville, okay? You don't know what's happening from one day to the next, and you don't know what commodity people are going to feel an insanity and a pressure to go out and buy. Half the things that have been disappearing from the shelves, I don't even understand. You don't know. From one moment to the next, you don't know. And so there's no way for me to recipe plan right now, because first of all, I'm not even supposed to leave my house. And second of all, for the rare grocery trip I'm actually allowed to make, I have no idea what's going to be available in the grocery stores. No idea whatsoever. And because I can't recipe plan, I can't do recipes. So I've been directly impacted on my channel by the hoarding in America. So we're just gonna have to change things up a little bit. I'm gonna have to take the channel in a different direction. I do have some video footage still from recipes that I've never edited. It's definitely the time of evolution for my channel. Previously, I was on this thing where I wanted to bring out a new video to you every single Tuesday, and I called it Every Non-Fat Tuesday. So a new skinny video every non-fat Tuesday. Because Mardi Gras is Fat Tuesday, so all the other Tuesdays have to be non-fat Tuesday. I do this, I'm dorky like that. That's what I do, that's who I am. And so I was religiously bringing out videos every Tuesday. And unlike most YouTubers who have like a stockpile of videos, I do not have a stockpile of videos. I'm literally, I have a stockpile of video footage, but I edit a new video every week to bring out a new video on Tuesday. So I don't have any kind of stockpile. I can't just put stockpiled videos out until the crisis is over. Kind of like I'm literally forced to change what I do. So in addition to mayhem in the market, I also am going to be having a little bit less time to be able to film and edit videos to post on the channel. So my videos are going to be posted probably less frequently than they've been posted in the past. So I just wanted to pop on for a minute, kind of let you know what's going on, let you know how and why things are changing, and I guess stay tuned and we'll both figure out what's coming next, because honestly right now I have no clue. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing next. I'm kind of winging it at this point. So hope all of you out there are staying safe, staying well. If you've been sick, I hope you're getting over it, and I wish you the best. Love you.